हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल अमूल एस के। आप लोगों के साथ मैं अभी शेयर करने जा रहा हूँ जो नवंबर 15 में बीएड का कॉमन एंट्रेंस टेस्ट होगा अंडर गुवाहाटी यूनिवर्सिटी। उसका जो सिलेबस है वो सिलेबस मैं आप लोगों के साथ शेयर करने जा रहा हूँ। तो जो फ्रेंड्स इस एग्ज़ाम में अपेयर होंगे उन सब के लिए ये बहुत फायदेमंद रहेंगे। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। तो ये जो है बीएड कॉमन एंट्रेंस टेस्ट अंडर गुवाहाटी यूनिवर्सिटी, उसका सिलेबस। उस सिलेबस में टोटल नंबर ऑफ क्वेश्चंस रहेंगे 100। মানে তাতে 100টা क्वेश्चन থাকিব আৰু গোটেইবিলাক क्वेश्चंस ऑब्जेक्टिव হ'ব। Each questions will be of objective and each questions will carry 4 marks and there will be negative marks. Negative mark, each question will carry 1/4 negative mark. প্ৰতিটো क्वेश्चनত नेगेटिव मार्क থাকিব। नेगेटिव मार्क 0.25%। सो क्वेश्चंस के जो पार्ट रहेंगे उसका 4 पार्ट रहेंगे। सो सेक्शन ए, सेक्शन बी एंड सेक्शन सी एंड बी। सो 4 पार्ट रहेंगे उसमें। तो सेक्शन ए में क्या क्या क्वेश्चंस आएंगे? तो उसमें से फर्स्ट ऑप्शन ए है कि उसमें जनरल इंग्लिश रहेंगे। जनरल इंग्लिश उसका जो क्वेश्चंस होंगे 120 मार्क्स। 120 मार्क्स का जनरल इंग्लिश। और जनरल इंग्लिश के अंदर क्या क्या पढ़ना है मैं आप लोगों के साथ शेयर करने जा रहा हूँ नेक्स्ट पेज में। ठीक है, तो अभी बस अभी ओवरऑल देखते हैं सिलेबस में क्या क्या है। सेक्शन बी उसमें है जनरल नॉलेज। जनरल नॉलेज में क्या क्या पढ़ना होगा वो भी हम डिस्कस करेंगे। सेक्शन सी टेस्ट ऑफ रीजनिंग एंड न्यूमेरिकल एबिलिटी, इसके अंदर क्या क्या है वो भी शेयर करूंगा। एंड सेक्शन डी में है करंट इंडियन एजुकेशन नेशनल पॉलिसी एजुकेशन ऑफ 1986, सर्व शिक्षा अभियान, राष्ट्रीय माध्यमिक शिक्षा अभियान, राइट टू एजुकेशन, यूनिवर्सलाइजेशन ऑफ एलिमेंट्री एजुकेशन, इसमें से भी क्वेश्चंस आएंगे। तो हेलो फ्रेंड्स, इन सेक्शन ए देयर विल बी टोटल 30 क्वेश्चंस and total 120 marks in English portion. So vocabulary, in vocabulary you have to know many words. Suppose as for example with letter A you have to know many more words as much as you can and their meaning and their opposite words. Suppose say A for accident, account, arise, so etc etc, many more as much as you can. So in exam there will be like they will give fill in the blanks type and they will sometimes ask the meaning of that word. So all the things will come under vocabulary. So and tense, we know all about tense. Tense, 3 types of tense, and there will be correction of tense, and there may be like questions like errors in the sentence and you have to rectify the sentence to make it correct. And the voice, here voice and tense and narrations all are interconnected, because to do their voice we have to know all about tense, the rules, the formations, everything, the examples of tense. After knowing tense we can go through the voice, because in while doing questions related to voice we must identify the sentence, in which tense the sentence is in. जो सेंटेंस का जो है वो कौन सी फॉर्मेशन में है, कौन टेंस की कौन सी फॉर्मेशन में है। सपोज प्रेजेंट में, पास्ट में, पास्ट कंटिन्यूअस, कोई भी अच्छा हो तो उसमें से हम लोगों को आइडेंटिफाई करना पड़ेगा पहले कौन सी फॉर्मेशन में है। देन अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट वी हैव सम रूल्स, देन वी कैन डू वॉइस। सिमिलरली बिफोर डूइंग नरेशंस वी हैव टू नो द क्लियर कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ टेंस। Then narrations, there are many more rules regarding in narrations. So then we can do the questions relating to this. Prepositions, there will be word like of, in, to, for, above, below, under, by. So we have to know the meaning with some words. Then after knowing the meaning, suppose I go by bus, he is sitting on the table, like that. Many more examples you have to know from the books. Then we can do the questions relating to that. And corrections of sentence. Correction of sentence, errors and options will be given and we have to rectify the sentence. According to the sentence we have to go through and then correct it. Maybe in the pronunciation form, of sentence, it may be in the tense correction, it may be in say comma, full stop, semicolon, or whatever is this. We have to identify the sentence, then we have to correct. And comprehensions. In comprehensions, we have to know all about say letter writing, say precise writing, story writing, and what is called story. What are the types of letter writing, formal, informal, and like that we have to know all about the things that are that come under comprehension. And the things related to comprehensions, we can find the things and we can learn in books like NFS to English grammar. There also we can learn. And a book, I can give you a reference book so that you can get a little know about the exams. So recently I have my one book. So this one, B.Ed Entrance Guide. हाँ, तो फिर सेक्शंस बी में आते हैं फिर अभी सेक्शंस बी में जो है यहाँ पे भी 30 क्वेश्चंस आएंगे. यहाँ पे आपको मिलेंगे 120 मार्क्स. सो 120 मार्क्स जो रहेंगे जनरल नॉलेज इसका अंदर इंडियन हिस्ट्री, इंडियन पॉलिटी, साइंस, जनरल साइंस एंड करंट अफेयर्स. सो इन जनरल नॉलेज we cannot limit the syllabus here again. Indian history, as for example, I have said that a little Harappan civilizations, Paleolithic age, many more questions are there. As I am going through the syllabus only here, so I will discuss the syllabus only here. In the next video, I will make many more questions as I can. And general science, up to I think at the rate of right now, up to class 10, general science. Suppose say what is the unit of power, what is the unit of current, what is the unit of resistance, who was the first scientist to give the unit of resistance, what is magnetic effect of magnetic effect of current, what is inductions, what is the unit of magnetic resonance, what is the unit of power. So that type of questions may come. We can give an idea like that. And current affairs we can say that right now everybody is passing through the the problems that everybody has passed. Right now history is there. So coronavirus, what was the budget, which one is the first state to get the patients of coronavirus positive, and budget related to that nationally, internationally. So that type of questions may arise here. So similarly section C, there will be 30 questions and it will be of 120 marks. And here only test of reasoning and numerical ability. So here numerical ability, you will get the numerical problems. Suppose whatever the syllabus you have come through from class 4, 5 to class 10, suppose profit and loss, simple interest, compound interest, and probability, and many more. Since I am telling the syllabus here only, just I am telling you the syllabus only. And the reasoning, there will be many more reasoning, like suppose word will be given, suppose as for example, this word is equal to 1, 3, 6, 5, another word say try, 2, 3, 7, what will be do equal to. So this type of reasoning will be asked in reasoning, many more reasoning here, numerical reasoning, in English reasoning, in word, many more subjects. So these types of questions we must have the ability to do. Then only we can go through the exam and we can get good marks. So I have just given a demo here only. Now section D. Section D, here only 10 questions and 40 marks. And that questions you will get common if you go through the books, the questions related to section D that are given in the book. That is, you will get common. But so current Indian education issues and policies. From here you will get the questions related to current Indian education was established when, who proposed that, and the policies regarding the educations, in which year the policy was started, in which year what were the remedies taken. That type of questions will come under current Indian educations. So similarly here the topic itself is saying National Policy on Education 1986. What were the policies made here 1986 related to year? जो भी क्वेश्चंस यहाँ से आएंगे वो रिलेटेड टू ईयर ज़्यादातर होंगे. एंड यूनिवर्सलाइजेशन ऑफ एलिमेंट्री एजुकेशंस. सो इन क्लास students, teachers, how one teacher can give proper education to the students. Related to that, many more questions are there. Suppose students, teacher, a classroom. One question is there: what is the dimension there? So teacher, students, relation, and the classroom along with the classroom. That is 3D relations. So like that, many more questions will become under this. So right to education, in which year right to education was incorporated, in which policy it is incorporated. Like that, many more questions will become under right to education unit. Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan. So in every village, Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan we have seen. On schools, small mini school we have seen. Schools under 5 years of age, so they come under Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan. In that policy, which government fund the Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan, central or state? Relating to that, questions will arise. And how many teachers are appointed in a school of Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan? So similarly, same type of things also come under राष्ट्रीय माध्यमिक शिक्षा अभियान से. उस कॉलेज की नाम आप लोगों को बताने जा रहा हूँ. आप लोगों को किसमान कॉलेजर नाम ক'বলৈ যাইছো. যোনবিলাক কলেজৰ নাম মই লিখিছোঁ, লেফ্ট সাইডত মই গভৰ্ণমেণ্ট কলেজৰ নাম লিখিছোঁ য'ত খৰচা অলপ কম পৰিব. ইয়াতে যোনবিলাক কলেজ বনাইছোঁ য'ত খৰচা অলপ বেছি হ'ব. তো গভৰ্ণমেণ্ট কলেজ যোনবিলাক আছে বহুতো আছে. এতিয়া মই লয়াৰ আছামৰ বহুত কেইটামান লৈছোঁ. মই লয়াৰ আছামৰ পৰা কেইটামান লৈছোঁ. আৰু আছে মই অলপ কেইটামান আপোনালোকক দেখুৱাইছোঁ. এইটো লয়াৰ আছামৰ কেইটামান কলেজ লৈছোঁ মই. চ' আপোনালোকক দেখুৱাইছোঁ. চ' প্ৰথমত গভৰ্ণমেণ্ট কলেজত আহিছোঁ. গভৰ্ণমেণ্ট BEd কলেজ, বাণীকান্ত কলেজ অফ এডুকেশ্যন গুৱাহাটী. এইটো যে আছে ইয়াতে 100টা চিট আছে. There are 100 seats in Banikanta College Education. So number 2, Government BT College, CTE. It is situated in Gwalpara. Same 100 seat. Here there be 100 seats. So College of Teacher Education, CTE, Kokrajhar. Here also 100 seats. Districts Institutions of Education and Training, DIET, 50 seats. One is located in Gwalpara, same name, and that is located in Kamrup. Here also 50 seats. Here little bit less, little bit 50% less number of seats. But some college that is affiliated under Guwahati University. College under Guwahati University for BEd. So Anandaram Barua Academy BEd College, Pathshala, Borpeta. Another one, Atwar Rahman College of Education, Udmari, Kolgasia. It is also in Borpeta. Seats number not given. Bajali TT College, Pattasarkusi. Okay. So number 4, College of Education, Boko. It is in Kamrup. So these are the. আপোনালোকে যোনটো প্ৰশ্ন পৰা প্ৰথমে ভিডিঅ' বিচাৰে আপোনালোকে কমেণ্টত জনালে मैं हेतु प्रश्न पर आप वीडियो प्रथम बनाऊं. जो भी सेक्शन से आप लोग वीडियो पहले से आते हो वही पर्सन से हम वीडियो बनाएंगे. तो तब तक आप लोग पढ़ते रहो. गुड लक फॉर योर एग्जाम. विश यू विल स्कोर वेरी गुड मार्क्स. थैंक यू.